Oh, what have we here? Here's Piper in the office again, sitting on her tuffet. Now she's going to do an inspection. Oh dear, someone needs to roll up the bubble wrap, it looks like. Look at that, what a mess. What a mess that is. Yeah, she has to scratch her head. She can't figure out who would do such a thing. Yeah. Oh dear, it's even getting close to her play area. Hmm. Well, she might as well check out something else. Okay, back to the tuffet area. Uh-oh, what's this? What's this? Is there something under the bag? Oh, oh dear. Oh dear. What did she find under there? Well, she's really checking it out. Oh my. Look at that. You'd think it was a lizard friend or something. But I don't think there's any of those up here. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Nope, it wasn't. She didn't get anything out of there. Oh. Oh. Oh, she has to check the ceiling too. It's bad enough what's on the floor. Oh, paper. Oh, she's going to shred that up well. Oh, no. Oh, no. You have to do something to take out your frustrations when you've done an inspection like this. And I guess that's what she's doing. Or is she having a snack? Oh my goodness, she shouldn't eat paper. It's like she doesn't even um, get anything to eat. Oh, oh, now what? Oh no, I don't want her chewing up the handles on the bags. I guess she's very frustrated at the condition of the office. I guess somebody needs to clean this up pretty quick. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. Oh, there she goes. I guess she's done with her inspection.